Up next, we have a very wonderful musical selection from a very good friend of mine and a great brother of mine as well, Brother Troy Thomas.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am out here at the location of the beautiful Mural. And I just want to say thank you for this wonderful opportunity to join in this festival and all the creative artwork and all of the artists in this town. I just want to say thank you for everything that's been done, and I hope you all enjoy. I was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, and just like that river, I've been running ever since. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. There were times that I thought that wouldn't last for too long, but now I know I'm able to carry on. It's been a long time coming, and I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. Then I go to my brother and say, brother, help me, please. But he winds up knocking me back down on my knees. Oh, there were times that I thought I wouldn't last for too long, but now I know I'm able to carry on. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You couldn't hear me, Troy, but I was singing with you. I was way in the back. It was just beautifully done. And such a talent, and we greatly appreciate how collective this event has become. It seems like this is turning not only from, we're not just painting words, we're not just saying that Black Lives Matter, we're living that Black Lives Matter. We're making a stance here, and I really appreciate the way the community is coming together to support this idea. And not only is it an idea, it sounds more like an oath.